Number 51, calculate the average height for characters from each species. So say Star Wars, type, and we're going to use another dplyr function, group by. So we need to group by species. So group by species, and you want to pipe that in. When you use group by, doesn't it groups them, but it doesn't really show anything. So you have to use a summarize, and you can use the British S or the American English Z. They're both the same. Summarize. What do we want to summarize? Um, Average height. So this creates a new column just like mutate. Average height equals, and average is the mean. And we want to, of course, eliminate all the NAs. So we'll say NA.rm equals true. So Star Wars pipe, group by species, pipe, summarize average height column equals mean height. NARM equals true. So we see that the average height by species, Alina 79, Basilisk 198, so on and so forth. A lot of these only have one person or character, droid 131, so on and so forth. So that's how you use group by. You group it by what you want to group by, and then you summarize it by an aggregate. So number 52, calculate the median mass for characters from each homeworld. So this looks like another group by. We'll say Star Wars and pipe it in. And when I group by, instead of homeworld this time, or species this time, it's homeworld. And pipe that in, and then we need to do a summarize. And this time we were looking for median. So median mass, new column equals the median mass na.rm was true again. So now we have the median mass by homeworld. Uh, let's look at this in a table real quick. Might look a little better. So we'll do our pipe, GT, pipe, GT theme. I like this Excel. So there's a lot better. It's fine. Alderaan 64. We don't got like a lot of characters on there. So another one, we get find the maximum height for each eye color. Well, Star Wars, pipe, group this time, we'll group by eye color. And pipe that in. And our summarize, I'm just showing you how you can use different aggregate functions with summarize to create a new aggregate column. So max underscore height equals max height. And of course our na.rm equals true. That should do that. Let's copy our table statement here. And run this. So nice table, max height for black eye color, 229. Um, didn't like dark, infinite, no non-missing arguments to max, so return infinite. But you see we have median max height by icon. Okay, Filter out NA for hair color. It's going to get a little more difficult here. Using the birth year as age, group by age, summarize by minimum age for each hair color, and ignore any null values for NAs. So, of course, Star Wars. And let's select some columns. Name, birth year, eye color, pipe those in. And let's filter out RNAs right here. So keep everything that's not is in or did hair color. I'm sorry. Let's change this. And filter is not hair color. Filter is not hair color. Pipe that in. Let's rename the age. Rename the birth year column age. So the new one's on the left. Old one's on the right. Rename birth year to age. Pipe that in. Then we want to mutate age to numeric because it's a character string. So we say age equals as numeric age, as we can refer to that mutated column we just created. Pipe that in. And now we want to group by hair color. And summarize, of course. And our aggregate is min age column. And min age column equals minimum age. And na.rm is true. And let's put our table argument in also. So hair color, minimum age, auburn, another infinite, no not missing arguments, but it's got the minimum age for each hair color. I'm going to try to keep these to around 10 minutes. That's enough for this section. This is the way.